6.2, we're just going to move on to the next column, which is called the adjustments. These two columns right here. So the first thing we need to know, supplies on hand. That is how much supplies we physically have on hand at the end of the month. So that number actually goes over here in our balance sheet. So if we know the beginning date and we know the ending date, we need to find out the difference and put it in the adjustments. So make sure to have your calculator up. And we're going to put in what we had at the beginning of the month, which is 228. And we're going to subtract how much we have at the end of the month, which is 75. Now we had $153 is the difference. So we're going to put that on our credit side under adjustment. And make sure it's 153. Now, remember the first rule of accounting, that our debits must always equal our credits. So we're going to put that same amount under supplies expense, meaning we've used them. And that's how you do adjustments. So we're going to do the prepaid insurance for $250. So that's how much we have at the end of the month. So we take $375 was what we had at the beginning of the month. And now we have 250. So 125, we're going to credit 125 for prepaid insurance. Remember, our debits must always equal our credits. So we're going to put 125 on our debit side under insurance expense. Last step is add up each column. So 278 is on the debit side and 278 on our credit side. So this way our debits will equal our credits. Pretty easy step, but it sometimes gets a little confusing. If you have more questions, ask your teacher.